Hello friends, today in this lecture I will discuss about the syllabus as setted by University of Mumbai for the students of second year Bachelors of Commerce in Accounting and Finance semester 3. There are various subjects such as financial accounting, cost accounting, auditing, taxation, foundation course, business law, business economics, information technology. But I will discuss in detail about financial accounting, special accounting areas, paper 3. Let us look at the modules of financial accounting paper 3. Number 1, partnership final accounts based on adjustment of admission or retirement death of a partner during the year. In your 12th standard, you have learned about partnership accounting, that is admission, retirement and death, specifically regarding the transactions of admission, retirement and death at the end of year. But in this chapter, we will learn how to account for admission, retirement or death of a partner during the year. Second, piecemeal distribution of cash. This is an extension or in continuation with the chapter of dissolution of partnership firm. In this chapter, we will learn about how to distribute cash to all the financial creditors of the partnership firm, including the partners, by liquidating the assets over a period of time. This is more about the distribution of cash to all the creditors. Next is amalgamation of firms. This is a new concept for you wherein two partnership firms come together to form a larger partnership firm. Next, conversion sale of partnership firm into a limited company. This is an extension to the third chapter, that is amalgamation of firms. Here in the chapter 4, when a partnership firm is converted into a company or sold to a company, the accounting of that is to be learned. Number 5, accounting of transactions of foreign currency. Now this chapter is regarding recording of transactions of foreign currency, that is purchase, sale in foreign currency. In simple words, import or export of goods or maybe assets. This was a brief about the chapters to be learned in second year BCom Accounting and Finance semester 3 Financial Accounting paper 3. I hope you found this lecture useful. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates about new informative lectures. Thank you so much.